Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, come closer to me because today also I brought something special for you. So leave everything just for now and watch with this video with full concentrations. If you watch this video for 3 minutes and 44 seconds, really I'm sure you will not lose your time. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet outfits for women. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for crochet women outfit designs. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also to find such type of more unique and outclass videos. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Crochet outfits offer numerous benefits for women. Here are some advantages to incorporating crochet clothing into your wardrobe. The first and the main one is unique and customizable design. Crochet outfits can be tailored to fit personal style, color and pattern, making them one of a kind. Breathable. Many crochet garments are made with airy, breathable fibers, making them ideal for warmer weather. Eco-friendly. Crochet pieces often use natural fiber like cotton or wool, which are biodegradable and more sustainable than synthetic materials. Comfortable fit. Since crochet is often stretchy, it can provide a comfortable and flexible fit that moves with the body. Lightweight. Crochet garments are typically lighter than traditional knitted items, offering comfort without feeling heavy. Word style styling. Crochet can be used to create a wide range of garments from casual summer dress to elegant evening wear and everything in between. Artisan craftsmanship. Crochet outfits often showcase the skill and artistry of handmade clothing, offering a sense of uniqueness and craftsmanship. Thermal regulations. Crochet pieces can offer both warmth and cooling effects depending on the type of yarn and wave used, making them suitable for multiple seasons. Durability. Properly made crochet garments can last for many years, especially if they are made from high quality yarn. With a happy ending, today's video. Hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.